All right, I just wanted to clarify a little bit on the offset. I found some shortcut methods to put these two holes in here. The first one comes off the bottom, but I'm going to place these both off the top. So I'm going to go to my circle command. I'm already in my object level layer, and I'm just going to type in the letters TK, enter. Oops. And that's a tracking point. You'll see circle first tracking point. So I'm going to left click up here, and I'm going over a distance of 3. Hit enter. And you'll see it gives me this yellow line. Now I'm going to go down a distance of 3.5. Enter. There's my tracking point. Just hit enter again, and there I'm going to put in a distance of 1 for the radius. There's my first hole. We'll hit enter. Starts the circle tool again. We'll hit TK, enter, tracking. We'll left click up here. We're going over a distance of 1.5, enter. Invalid 2 point. No. Hit the circle tool, TK, enter. Left click, go over 1.5, enter. Down 1.5, enter. There's my point. Just hit enter again, and this one's going to be a 0.5 radius. Okay, so you may want to practice with that a little bit, just because it's kind of tricky in the mode. So just doing like a 2-point offset from a known point to locate these pieces. We'll change our level now to dimensions. We'll put our linear dimensions in like we did before. You just have to kind of impose the mouse where you need to, and hit enter each time you want to repeat a command. You can kind of pull these in. Anytime you select something and you see these blue handles, those are abilities to just stretch, move things around. You can move the numbers, or you can move the endpoints. Hit escape, linear dimension again. We'll go from this point to this corner, and enter. And we're going to put our diameter. Oops. Enter. And it should do it. You can always go to our annotation. Dimension style, we'll just modify this mechanical. We want to make our center marks at 1. Hit OK. That one's not big enough, so we'll do it again. Say 1.2. And that should do it. There we go. We can go to our sheet view now. There's our view. Let's see, our line weights are on here. Just take a quick look at it. Say plot. We're going to say plot to DWG to PDF PC3. We'll preview it. And there it is. Zoom in, take a look at it. It's always going to be a little bit different when you actually plot it out, so we'll plot this out to a drawing file in our desktop. There it is. So you can see it looks a little bit cleaner on the actual output. And we'll, again, we can turn off things like the object, the dimensions, title block, nothing's there anyway. Well, I guess there is some text on there. So it maintains our layer. So that's just that 2-point offset's what I wanted to share with you. So that should be helpful later on. Thanks.